Hello, friends. Welcome to Venus Blue Roses, a destination for art, food, and much more. Today, we are going to see a fun activity. We are making scratch paper.
Hi friends, see uh, this is what we are going to do today, not exactly this one. Like this sheet we are going to make. We can call it as magic paper. So like this rainbow colors we can get out of this bag. This is black background. It's a nice artwork. My friend gifted me on my birthday. Her name is Rupa. So Rupa, thank you so much for this wonderful art. So let's begin. To do this magic paper, we need one sheet like this, a thicker one, and some crayons. I have used this crayons. Actually, this crayons is very interesting and very useful. We can twist like this and crayons will come out. So for your kids, it will be nice. You can avoid some messy deal using these crayons.
So, first take the desired colors you wish to give to that cardboard. Don't expect the similar one that she bought from DIY, that scratch paper. So this is just a similar one, I would say. Just for fun you can make this and try it at home. This one I have tried along with crayons, acrylic combination, crayon poster color combination, crayon watercolor combination. So finally I felt acrylic paint works much better than any other one. And giving this outlines, I tried with highlighter as well as crayons. I felt crayons is really good to make this scratch paper or magic paper. So do like this, give many colors. So during vacation you can create such paper and give to your kids. They will enjoy scratching that black shade and rainbows coming out of it. So for fun you can try this one. Again I am telling that is not the exact one we are going to make. That is the store bought one. So if you are interested to buy that thing, you can head to DIY, those who are in Singapore. There it's available. Give thin line like this so that when you scratch you will get multicolors like this. So now it's almost done. Now let's see it's done. Now let's give black acrylic paint on this sheet.
Now do it. Now let's take some black acrylic paint.
Take my flat brush. Now let's paint.
I tried giving black watercolor like this. So it was okay than poster colors. Only thing you need to use very little water.
Let it dry.
So now it's dried. Let's take one stick like this and start scratching any designs or write any words. It's not that as perfect as the store-bought magic paper, but still you can just try it out like this. So if you want that type of paper, it's available in DIY. So you can try that. Now here just I'm giving some designs. So I tried making two boards like this, so two scratch papers like this. So this is how I got. So these two are the scratch papers which I have made. It's always fun to play with colors, right? And kids also will love to do these activities. So try with your kids and do let me know your feedbacks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more such videos, and remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos you will get notified.